Introducing the 2026 CUPRA Born E-BOOST, 59 kilowatt hours with 231B horsepower in stunning white. This automatic beauty offers luxurious comfort and cutting-edge technology, from ambient lighting to a 360 view camera and intelligent speed assist. With only 22 kilometers on the clock, this car is practically brand new. With features like Wi-Fi, wireless charging and collision avoidance braking, you can drive with confidence and style. Plus, enjoy peace of mind with a full multi-point health and safety check, comprehensive warranty and manufacturer servicing. Don't miss out on this top-of-the-line vehicle. Call us or visit blackwatermotors.ie for more information today.